Hey. One of your Swissies asked me in a comment lately if I have ever been to the International Balloon Festival in Château. And I had to say, oh no. So I took this comment as a good opportunity to show you this festival. It started early in the morning, but the weather didn't look very promising. But you know me, stay positive and everything will be fine. So after about an hour and 45 minutes, we arrived at Château. And then we had a little look around. Okay, we walk now a little bit through the village. And then we are at the festival, hopefully. You see, the weather is not that nice. I hope they will fly today. All the snow melted in the last few days because we had so warm temperatures. Very unusual for January. Yeah, that's why everything looks like this. The festival goes about 1 week. And as I told you before, they only fly if the weather is good. Yeah, no rain, no strong wind. Yeah. So I hope that we are lucky enough. Yeah, Bertrand Piccard, was flying around the world in this yellow thing. Crazy, huh? A good sign. We see the mountains. Yoo-hoo! Yeah. It's still raining a little bit. Normally they start at 9 a.m. but because of the rain they said, okay, we start at 10 a.m. and then it rained again and then they said, okay, we start at 11 a.m. So I hope that they will start at 11. There was one very unhappy that we were staying up there at the hill. Yeah, so we had to go away, unfortunately. But anyway, there is no hot air balloon up in the air right now. Yeah, I don't know what's wrong. Maybe too much wind. We have to wait. And can you see the people up there? Yeah, they wait too. So many. We are now back at the festival area. Yeah, I see a little balloon. Yay! Yeah, I guess it was too windy. Yeah, but now people are coming with their hot air balloons. I will try to do again a little time lapse. And the speaker is explaining who is on the area, which kind of hot air balloon is going up. Yeah, and so on and so forth. This is probably the VIP sector over there. Champagne bar. Oh wow, I just saw the car queue now. Yeah, they are all waiting to come into the area. Ooh, so many balloons. Yeah, I mean, you need a whole team for such a big hot air balloon, huh? Bump up the air, bump it up, bump it up. Ooh, look at them all. Yeah. Yeah, the weather is perfect now, huh? To go with the hot air balloon. See now the size of the hot air balloon comparing to the house, which is standing behind it. I'm quite sure when it is standing up, it is bigger than the house. Ui, look at mal, wie schön. Oh, ja. S'élève, en français, excusez. Voila. Yeah, I told you, it is much bigger than the house behind. Huh? Wow, crazy. I think there's a funny one coming up now. You see this one? It looks like a cat or a bear. I don't know. Yeah, we will see it soon. Ooh, action! The other ones are following. It looks so good, huh? It would look better with snow, I know, but I'm happy that they fly today. Well, I am not sure if it is interesting to watch this in the video. Oh, there's a yellow one going up. But when you are live here, you're totally excited. Ooh, look at that! So cool! By the way, Rasta is totally relaxed. Yeah, he seems to be happy here. Huh? Another funny one. Is it an angel? Yeah, I guess so. Yeah. Now the local hot air balloon will be blown up. Yeah, Chateau 2. That's this one. Many balloons were already inflated, and we immersed ourselves in the magic of hot air balloons. So soon all the hot air balloons are up in the air. The speaker still has his voice after so many speeches. Crazy. It is the next morning and we will try to get some close-up shots from the hot air balloons. The early birds are already here. And it is not 8:30 yet. Yeah, they want to fly. Yeah, this is teamwork. Huh? One is just doing nothing and the other ones are working. Okay, we observe now this one, okay? So you see a little bit how they work, huh? And how they prepare the hot air balloons. Ooh. Yeah, it's working. They need now to the Ballons stürzen, so they can blow in the hot air.
messieurs, chers voisins, habitants du pays d'en haut, ceux qui logent à l'Ermitage, bonjour. Comme vous le constatez, ça va voler.
Now I show you Château from another angle. Ja, ist noch herzig, hè? A nice village. We are now at the top, near the chapel. And from here you also have a very nice view to the area of the hot air balloons. Yeah, they will start soon. Despite the somewhat strong wind, balloon after balloon went up in the air and decorated the sky. It's goodbye for us now, and we hope that we were able to give you some more inspiration for your next trip to Switzerland.